Introducing hashtag Proformance, the Poco X3 Pro. Now, when we are talking about the X3 Pro beating the Poco F1, obviously we had to focus on the performance part of it. And I think we've gone all the way here. We've got the exclusive Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 powering the X3 Pro. A couple of recent chips that were launched, say the Dimensity 800U or the Snapdragon 750, do about the same performance and come in at 320 to 330,000, below the Poco F1. Now, X3 Pro scores almost 500,000 points on AnTuTu. It completely decimates all of these phones that you've seen here and sets a completely new benchmark in the smartphone industry for years to come. Now, you are seeing this massive jump in performance thanks to the Cryo 485 cores, the Adreno 640 GPU, and also an advanced AI engine. We are also upping the game when it comes to storage. We are giving you the best storage available in the market today, including all the flagships, UFS 3.1. 3.1 is 3 times faster than UFS 3.0. Everything runs faster. Your games and apps load much faster than anything else out there. You're getting 128 GB of this UFS 3.1. And you also get up to 8 GB of DDR4X RAM, completing this entire trinity of performance. In the front, you've got this large 6.67-inch display. But that's not all. You also have support for 120 Hz reality flow. So it's super smooth. And to make it even better, you've got a 240 Hz touch sampling rate. You're getting a HDR10 certification. And of course, the phone is certified for Widevine L1. That means you can enjoy all the content from streaming services in HD quality. It still has an IR blaster that lets you control thousands and thousands of devices in your house. You also have a headphone jack here, but not just an ordinary headphone jack. You also have support for high-res audio. Now, you've got so much power, but what's driving it? Let's look at the 2-day battery life on the Poco X3 Pro. Now, this is a 5160 mAh battery. Now, the X3 Pro features a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup. The X3 Pro features a Spectra 380 ISP. Nothing even comes close in this price class when it comes to image signal processing. You see, the image signal processing on this is built onto the chip itself. At a hardware level, you're getting incredible performance to be able to do AI-based object segmentation, as well as the entire color science and brightness that you need for incredible images. In short, if you're a pro gamer, X3 Pro is a no-brainer. So guys, that was the Poco X3 Pro, hashtag Proformance. Well, happy to share the 6GB, 128GB variant of the X3 Pro will be available at a price starting 18,999, and the 8GB, 128GB variant will be at a starting price of 20,999 only. The X3 Pro will be available on Flipkart on the 6th of April at 12 noon.